Struggling with messy connections or slow internet speeds? Satellite antenna. Today, we're putting 3 different network cable testers to the test, checking their accuracy, features, and overall performance. Stick around until the end to see which one is truly worth your money. Number 3. BSIDE Network Cable Tester. The BSIDE FWT11 Network Cable Tester is a versatile tool designed for professionals and enthusiasts to diagnose and troubleshoot network and telephone wiring. It supports both Cat5 and Cat6 cables and measures cable lengths up to 300 meters, making it ideal for large-scale installations or extended networking environments. The tool also includes a wire sequence calibration function to detect common wiring faults. Line level detection, positive/negative polarity identification, and telephone line status detection. It also detects wire connectivity, saving time during installation or repair work. The FWT11 also features undervoltage indication for both the transmitter and receiver, preventing misdiagnosis due to low power. The device is powered by standard batteries and comes with CE certification. It comes with a 24-month warranty and lifetime after-sales support, ensuring its quality and durability. The compact design and easy-to-use interface make it convenient for both professional and amateur users. The device produces clear audio signals during scanning, making cable tracing simple and effective. Link in the description box. Number 2. TOOLTOP Network Cable Tester. The TOOLTOP Network Cable Tester 4-in-1 is a versatile tool designed to simplify network installation, testing, and maintenance. It combines the capabilities of a network cable tester, multimeter, optical power meter, and visual fault locator, making it a must-have for professionals in networking, telecommunications, or fiber optics. The tester can accurately measure cable lengths of up to 600 meters, detect open circuits, short circuits, crossovers, and test crystal head crimping quality. It also functions as a professional multimeter, capable of displaying up to 60,000 digits, and an optical power meter with a wide measuring range. The tester also features a 10W visual fault locator, VFL, with red laser emission, allowing technicians to visually identify breakpoints or faults in optical fibers up to 10 kilometers away. The device also includes a noise-free digital line tracing feature, allowing quick identification of target lines in crowded environments. The TOOLTOP tester supports multi-language interfaces and is powered by rechargeable lithium batteries, making it eco-friendly. It also includes additional tools and testing features, such as NCV, remote ID support, and PO testing. The compact and durable design makes it easy to carry in a technician's toolbox or work bag. Link in the description box. Number 1. NOYAFA Network Cable Tester. The NOYAFA NF8209S Network Cable Tester is a versatile tool designed for network engineers, technicians, and DIYers to troubleshoot and maintain Ethernet networks. It offers a range of features, including cable tracking, length measurement, PO detection, and wire map capabilities. The tester has 3 testing modes: non-interference, normal hunting, and PO hunting. Its cable tracking feature allows technicians to trace RJ45 network cables behind walls, ceilings, or tangled bundles, making the process more efficient. The NF8209S can detect both standard and non-standard PO systems from 5V to 60V, making it crucial for IT professionals working with IP cameras, VoIP phones, and wireless access points. It also measures the length of a network cable up to 120 meters using TDR technology, identifying faults or breakpoints without calibration. The wire map function tests the wiring structure of RJ45 cables, detecting common faults like open circuits, shorts, crossed wires, miswires, and split pairs. The device features a clear LCD display for easy understanding. The NF8209S is built with durability in mind and comes with multiple international certifications, including CE, FCC, EAC, and KC, link in the description box. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.